The heat waves this summer were unbearable. Temperature in some countries even rose to 54 degrees. And even in India, heat waves are becoming a new norm. And if this continues, the situation will get much more worse in coming summers. Yes, this will be the reality in coming years and we all should be worried about it. But only worrying about it and doing nothing does not make any sense. So let's discuss in this video about how an individual, family, or we together as a society can help make things better in coming years. Let's first understand the phenomena of this extreme rise in the temperature. The main reason for this is the pollution caused from greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases like methane, nitrous oxide are emitted when fossil fuels are burned. These fossil fuels are burned to generate electricity, and as in the modern world the need for the electricity keeps on increasing, these fossil fuels keep getting burned. This results in worsening of the climate, which is often referred to as climate change. So if not coal, then what? Solar. Solar generates electricity without CO2 emissions, but it is very expensive. Well, not right now. In fact, after the announcement of PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, solar has become more and more accessible to every household. After this announcement, it is clear that the government is quite serious about Har Ghar Solar. Hence, this is the best time to go solar under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana if you haven't gone solar yet.
1 करोड़ परिवारों को सोलर रूफटॉप लगाने के लिए सरकार मदद करेगी.
PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana aims to power 1 crore houses with solar energy. The subsidy provided in this scheme is as follows. So do you think going solar is still expensive? This subsidy will reduce almost 40% of the amount of your solar PV system, and plus think of the 25 years of free electricity. But wait, it is not simple as it sounds. Now let me tell you the things you should keep in mind before installing a solar PV system for your home under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Well, you might not benefit from your solar PV system if this happens. To avoid this situation, you must scrutinize the panels, inverters and other components provided by your vendor. But firstly, see if your vendor is empaneled and eligible to install a solar PV system under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. You can simply check it by visiting the website of your discom. Keep in mind that you should only use DCR panels in order to avail the benefits of the subsidy. Next is the inverter. Inverter is often referred to as heart of the solar PV system. Reliable and quality inverters enhance the performance and sustainability of your solar PV system. I would strongly recommend going with Fronius solar inverters as they have been in the solar business for the past 30 years with a very great reputation. Here's a fact that will help you make a wise decision. According to the guidelines of PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, you can choose the capacity of your inverter greater than the size of your solar system. This will help you to expand the capacity of your solar system in future. For example, your current energy requirement is only up to 3 kWh, but you can still opt for an inverter that is of 5 kWh, which will make it quite easy to expand the capacity of your solar system in future. All you have to do is just add some extra panels and you'll be good to go. Another aspect of your solar PV system is the structure on which solar panels are mounted. There have been many incidents where the panels have flown away due to the strong winds and weak structure. The application process for PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana is quite simple. All you need to do is just navigate through this link. For more details, you can connect with us from the mail given in the description. Meanwhile, you can also check different types of solar inverters, different types of solar PV systems on our channel.